Hello, I am joined here by composer Jesse Jones, Associate Professor of Composition at the Oberlin Conservatory. And I'll just ask Jesse a few questions, but Jesse, it was such a pleasure to work on and perform your piece, Idols Lost. And it's an opportunity that presented itself to us because this piece was written for the Soundscape Festival. And like so many concerts and festivals, it was canceled this summer. So it provided us with the unique opportunity to premiere this piece, which was a great pleasure. So explain to us why you titled it Idols Lost, which I really find fascinating.
hmm Well, I have a dual life as a folk musician and also a contemporary music composer. So I'm doing both all the time. And the my living room version of myself is writing these little fiddle tunes that I can only describe as an idyll, sort of a rustic little tune that describes a picturesque scene somewhere in rustic life, right? And I've been trying to, in my musical language, sort of marry that to what I do as a contemporary composer with sort of a modernist harmonic language and contrapuntal language. So I think the title "Idols Lost" just refers to that I'm using these little tunes, and "lost" just refers to like in my own output. I've always been at odds with trying to incorporate these little tunes with what I do as a composer. So it's just that's where I'm at this piece. It's sort of like Bartok uses um, folk melodies, right? But then his musical language morphs those melodies into something that is more chromatic. I'm trying to do the same with these little melodies that come to me on the mandolin.
And this melody that you used throughout this piece, you said to me that this is the melody you just go to when you pick up your daughter's viola and you just
Uh-huh.
fool around a little bit.
Yeah, it's just a melody that just reminds me of like the Shire, right? It's just bum 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 da 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 dee dee dee. It's just what my fingers naturally did. It's got an open drone string. It's just fun to play. And so I thought, well, can I actually spin this into a piece?
Well, you did. And it's humorous, it's spiky, it's quirky, it has all kinds of unexpected turns and refrains. It's charming.
Thank you. And thanks for doing it.
Oh, what a pleasure. Thanks so much for joining us.